and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm just going to be doing my January favorites. This I think is my 4th or 5th year doing my favorites videos, and you all seem to really like them. And originally this was supposed to be my December favorites, however I just never got around to editing it and putting it up, so I figured I would use it for my January favorites since it was already filmed and everything. So if at any point in the video I do say December, that is why. It is simply because this was filmed originally for December. However, I will be right back on track for next month. If you guys have missed any of my past favorites videos from the past few years, I will have them in a playlist linked down below. And as always, if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the items, I will have them linked down below for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into my January favorites. Starting off with my fashion related favorites, the first one is something I'm actually wearing, and it is just this hat. This is one of the CC beanies, and mine is like the ivory marbled one, I think, and it does have the pom-pom on the top. They also make it with like a hole in the top so you can wear a bun or a ponytail. I have been wearing this a ton lately. I'm not usually a beanie or hat person, but my mom did get me this for Christmas and I absolutely fell in love with it. Another fashion favorite I've been loving that has to do with the outdoors is a scarf, and it is just a black chunky knit scarf, and I got this from Just Fab last year, I believe, and it was on sale for like $10. If I can still find it, I'll leave it down below, but if not, I will find one that is similar. It is literally just a plain black chunky knit scarf, and it's one of the infinity ones, and it matches my hat perfectly, and both of these also match my coat perfectly, which I will actually be showing in a second because it is a favorite of mine this month. I just love this because it is nice to have on your neck, especially because I live in Maine where it is rarely above 20 degrees in the winter time and it is always snowing, so having this on just keeps your neck warm, and it's also just really cozy. And lastly, for fashion favorites this month is my coat, like I just mentioned, and this is from North Face, and it is just a super bright hot pink color, and it is one of the two-piece jackets, so the inside layer does zip out and you can wear it during the spring, and it is just like a quilted windbreaker type jacket inside. I got this last year and it took me forever to actually find one, and I fell in love with this one. I think I got it from Dick's Sporting Goods and it was actually on sale. I only paid like $80 or $90 for this, which is insane for a North Face jacket, especially one of the two-piece ones. And the exact name of the jacket is the North Face Women's Carto Tri-Climate 3-in-1 jacket. Next up, I have 3 random favorites that I thought I would throw in here. The first is the Febreze Small Spaces, and this one is in the apple cinnamon one, I believe, or maybe it's just apple, but these things are amazing. They are very potent, and these are great to literally just get and put around your room. I keep one on my bookshelf, and they just help to keep your room smelling fresh, and they are so easy to use. You literally get them and then you just pop the button in the back and then they start working, and they last for probably 2 to 3 weeks. And what's also really nice is that they don't leak in any way. I've had them be knocked over and they didn't leak anywhere. 2 of my other favorites are both Christmas related. The first one are the Target Wondershop birds. I actually did an entire Target Wondershop bird collection video because I have, I believe, 11 of them, and a ton of you actually really liked that video. I wasn't sure how well it would go over because it wasn't something I did a poll on over on my Instagram, which is what I normally do for videos I'm unsure of, but a ton of you seem to like it and I'm glad that I did it. So if you guys would like to see the rest of mine, definitely head over to that video. I just think they're super cute. You can collect them for almost every holiday, which is what I do. And lastly, for my random favorites is this blanket, and let me tell you guys, I'm obsessed with llamas if you guys didn't know, and I've been looking for a llama blanket for the longest time. I saw one at TJ Maxx one day and I didn't have my wallet with me that day, and I went back with my wallet and I couldn't find it. So ever since then, I've been on the search for a llama blanket. I finally found one at Homegoods. I was looking all around the store to see if I could find any sort of llama blanket, and I don't know why, but I went through the kids section and I finally found a llama blanket. And what makes it even better is that it is a Christmas llama blanket. It is the most adorable thing ever. This is what the pattern side looks like. It just has llamas on it wearing scarves, and it has wreaths as well. And then the inside is just a fluffy red material, and I love this. I've been using it every single day. And my last 4 favorites for this month are all electronic related. The first one is my new phone. I finally got a new phone. I had my last one for, I want to say, almost 4 years, and that thing went through a lot, and I just needed a new phone. So that was one of my birthday / Christmas gifts, was a new phone. And I did go with the iPhone XR. I really wanted the yellow one or the blue one. However, the only one the store had was the black one, and I figured it was better than nothing. It has definitely taken me a while to get used to it because it doesn't have a home button. And along with that, I've also been obsessed with the case I got. This is just one of the spec cases. Specifically, it is the spec Presidio Grip and Glitter, and I got it at Marshall's for $11. And obviously it is just purple and glittery and has the grips, which I really like. Another Apple related product I've been loving are the silicone Apple watch bands. I get all of mine from Amazon, and they will be linked down below, but when you click the link, it will just bring you to my tech favorites Amazon page, and from there you can literally look at all my tech favorites, including the one I will be mentioning next. But I literally will have all the places where I get my Apple Watch bands listed there. I just really like these silicone ones because they are inexpensive. They come in a ton of different colors, so you can kind of like match your watch band to your outfit. I personally don't care. I just like switching out the colors because I think they all look cute. The only thing is that they do get dirty, but a life hack that I learned is if you take a Mr. Clean magic eraser to them, they come clean instantly. One thing I do recommend with the silicone Apple watch bands is to look at the reviews on Amazon before you buy them. And my last electronic favorite and last favorite for the month of December has been my ring light. I actually got this early for Christmas. It came at the beginning of the month, and since I do YouTube, my mom was kind enough to just give it to me then so I could use it. So I have been using it all month for all my videos. Back when I first started YouTube 7 years ago, I had big box lights and they just took up so much space in my room. They were great because it was just great artificial lighting. However, I absolutely love this ring light. It literally collapses up to be like this big, and I can put it right in my closet. Doesn't take up space in my room anymore because literally my studio lights just sat in my room all set up because they didn't collapse. If you wanted to collapse them, you had to take every single piece off of it, and it was just a pain in the butt. And like I said, when I was showing the watch bands, it'll be linked on my Amazon tech favorites page if you guys are interested in it. It was relatively inexpensive. So like I said in the beginning, those were my favorites for December, but they are also items that I absolutely loved and used all throughout January as well, which is why I decided to use it as my January favorites rather than just scrapping it. And like I said, also I will be back to my normal monthly favorites next month. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorites were for this month in the comments down below because I would love to hear. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so you are notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!